Hi, in this presentation, we are going to learn how to use online marketing to grow a network marketing business. My name is Joe Okoro, the owner of inboxmarketingformula.com. Now, put it in another way, how to use internet marketing to grow your multi-level marketing business. The reason I am treating this topic is because I have questions from my readers, and that question is, how can I build my network marketing business with online marketing? A lot of people who have accounts on Facebook, on Instagram, are into one form of network marketing business or the other. And I have been told that if you want to get prospects, there are millions of people on this social media platform. Just go out there and get them. But the problem now is, how can they get these people, since a lot of people are already doing the same thing that they are doing? Well, the answer I'm going to give to you in this short video presentation may surprise you. First, before I answer that question, how can you build your network marketing business with online marketing? Let us look at what a lot of people are doing wrongly, the wrong way they are currently doing it. When you go to Facebook or Instagram, you find out that people are posting the links to their business opportunity all over the social media account that they own, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and the rest of them. And some of them even go ahead to do presentations at the first contact to their Facebook prospects. Some of them, once you visit their profile, you will see their company name at their display picture. You will see information about their business plastered all over in the comment section, at the profile picture, at the right hand side, all over the place, so that at a first glance you know that this person belongs to this company. And others, immediately they add friends for the first time, they start conversing with them using their Facebook Messenger to convert them right away to their business opportunity. And of course, at the end of the day, there is limited responses. You lose your potential team members if you are using this method to promote your network marketing business. The reason is, a lot of people are already doing what you are doing, and people do not respond to this type of marketing approach because there is no differentiation between you and the thousands or even millions of people out there on Facebook who are doing the same thing. So if this is the wrong way to do it, what now is the right way to do it? All right, let's look at how to do it rightly. If you are on Facebook and you have a home-based business opportunity, a network marketing business opportunity, the first thing you should do is learn to post valuable information that will help your target audience solve their problems. And one of the problems that your target audience have is how to build their current network marketing business opportunity. So what we're saying is, if you have information that will help them to grow their business, post it on those profiles. There is no need for you to reveal the identity of the company that you belong to. You need to gain trust first before your potential audience or your potential prospects will start paying attention at what you have to offer. Now, once you start posting great information on your profile or on your Facebook fan page, whatever medium you are using, or a group, you can now decide to direct that traffic that you are getting from the valuable content you are posting to two areas. First, it could be a blog post or a landing page. The purpose of directing the attention of your interested prospect to a blog post or a landing page is to get them to opt in to an email list that you manage so that you can do effective follow-ups on them and convert them at the end of the day. Right. Now, most people who are into a network marketing business do not own a blog. And if you're a network marketer and you don't have a money-making blog, then it is going to take you a long time to brand yourself effectively, to position yourself effectively. If you want maximum leverage from what you are doing online, you need to have a blog where you direct all your traffic. The reason is that all the social media posts, contents that you leave on this social media, you are not in control of it 100%. You are not the owner of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or even YouTube. If by tomorrow anything happened to any of your accounts, all the effort you have spent posting valuable information on those platforms are gone. However, if you have your own hub where you post the same information or advanced information that will help your target audience, it doesn't matter what happens to any of your social media accounts, you will still be just fine. And that is why one of the reasons why you need a blog post. Okay, so when people go to your blog post, you want to have what we call a lead magnet so that they can convert to your newsletter. Of course, for you to do that, you need to have what we call a call to action. All right, and if you don't have a blog, the next thing you can do is to provide a landing page with a lead magnet on it so that you can also get them to opt in to an email list and you can follow up on them. Now, let's still look at why you should have a blog for your own network marketing business opportunity. Even though I have covered some of these points, I'm going to reiterate them once more. The first reason is having a blog positions you as a leader, as an expert, because when you post expert content, not necessarily expert content, when you post valuable content, that's the word, all the time, consistently, over time, you will stand to gain credibility. People will start to see you as an expert. People will start to see you as a leader. And people follow leaders more than followers. And for you to get people to follow you, you must position yourself as a leader. A blog will help you to build the credibility that is needed for you to be perceived as a leader and as an expert. And when you are putting content on your blog, you should not be putting content on your business opportunity. What you should be doing on that your blog should be putting content that are designed to sell yourself. All right, to sell yourself so that you can build an email list of prospects. The reason why you need to sell yourself is because people need to trust you first before they can do business with you. If people trust you, it doesn't matter the network marketing business opportunity you belong to. People will follow you because they know that you are a person of value and that you will help them to reach their business goal irrespective of the business opportunity that you belong to. They will follow you because you have proven yourself using your blog for proper positioning. Another thing or another reason why you should have a blog is because conversion from a blog post is usually higher than conversion from an advert you run on any of the social media platform you can find. When people read blog posts from your own blog, or articles from your blog, or watch videos from your blog, they have a different mindset about you. They're already converted before they subscribe to a newsletter that you maintain. At the end of the day, you would have achieved a powerful funnel that naturally converts people readily to do your business. So these are the things you should be doing instead. And when you do these things, it can be said that you're actually using online marketing to promote your network marketing business. Now let's quickly look at the funnel that I have just described. This is a diagrammatic representation of the funnel I just spoke about. Now, if you look at this funnel, you find out that the first point of contact with your prospect is a Facebook post. What you need to do is post valuable content. This valuable content should have a CTA, or what we call a call to action, that will take them to either a blog post or to a squeeze page. And whether you are using a blog post with a lot of other articles on it, or you are using a squeeze page or a landing page, each of them must have an opt-in. You must have something you are giving away so that you can get them to subscribe to your mailing list. Okay, before you can get someone to subscribe to your mailing list, you must have proven yourself valuable. You must have provided something that will make them to subscribe to your newsletter. And after the subscription, the next thing you want to do is you want to follow up on them and convert them at the end of the day. You know the reason why it is good for you to follow up, because a lot of people have distractions in their life, just like any one of us. If someone is interested in your opportunity and you don't keep reminding that person, there's a chance that the person will forget, no matter how interested the person may be. However, if you have a proper follow-up sequence in place, you'll be able to convert majority of those people who are on your list to become your business partners, or to even buy the products that you sell. So this is the funnel you should use to promote or grow your network marketing business when you are prospecting online. If you do this, then you have success. Once you have implemented this, then it can be said that you have successfully implemented an online marketing program to grow your network marketing business. And before you know it, you will start building great team members. You start selling a lot of products, and you start replicating those efforts down your team, and you start to experience massive growth in your business opportunity. If you've got value from this training, I want you to do two things. The first one is go to joeokoro.com to join my upcoming webinar. And secondly, go to my private Facebook group named Start and Grow Your Home Business in Nigeria, or simply go to facebook.com/groups/grow your home biz to join my private group, where I release valuable content for people that are my followers on Facebook. Find below this video other interesting products that you may need to grow your business, and see if one of them interests you. Thank you for watching this presentation. I wish you success in your business. Goodbye.